In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Vidiq subscription for PC. Start on your PC and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type vidiq.com or search for vidIQ and select the official result. Before you proceed, glance at the URL and the padlock icon to confirm you're on the legitimate site and your connection is secure. On the vidIQ homepage, look toward the top right and click Login. This takes you to the sign-in screen. Enter the email address you want associated with your vidIQ account. Make sure you have access to this inbox, since purchase confirmations and receipts will be sent there. When you're ready, click Continue with email. On the next screen, enter your password carefully. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill. Never share your password and avoid typing it while screen sharing. Click Login to access your dashboard. Once you're in, find the Upgrade button, often at the top or in the sidebar, and click it. This opens the plans page where you can compare what each tier includes. Take a moment to review the features you need, whether that's keyword tools, competitor analysis, or bulk processing. Also look at billing options. Monthly plans offer flexibility, while annual plans typically provide savings. Pick the plan that fits your workflow and budget. You'll now be taken to checkout. In the payment section, enter your card number exactly as it appears on your card. Depending on your region, you may also see fields for expiry, security code, and billing address. Fill in any required details accurately. If you're using a company card, ensure the billing address matches what your card issuer has on file. Double-check the plan, price, and billing cadence so there are no surprises. Taxes may appear based on your location. When everything looks correct, click Pay Now. Give it a moment to process. You may be prompted to confirm the charge through your bank's verification system. Once approved, you should see a confirmation on screen and receive an email receipt shortly after. Your upgraded features typically unlock right away, so you can return to the dashboard and start using them immediately. If a payment doesn't go through, verify your card details, ensure sufficient funds, or try another card. For security, make purchases over a trusted network, and log out when using a shared computer. That's it. Your vidIQ subscription on PC is now active and ready to help you grow your channel.